Hello friends, we are going to study Christopher Marlowe, Dr. Faustus. The tragical history of the life and the death of Dr. Faustus has been shortly called as Dr. Faustus. It was written between 1589 and 1592 and performed at 1592. Here are some important characters. Faustus, a brilliant man. Mephistopheles, disciple of Lucifer. Wagner, Faustus' servant. Valls and Cornelius, they are friends of Faustus. Lucifer, Satan. Beelzebub, a demon. Robin, a clown. Rafe, a horse ostler. Winter, wine merchant. An old man, he is a holy man. Good angel and bad angel of Faustus. Prologue. The story is about a brilliant man, Faustus, who lost his life like Icarus. Here Icarus, he denied his father's advice and he flied above the sky using his wax wing. Finally, he drowned from the sky because of the heat of sun. Dr. Faustus was born for ordinary parents at Rhodes in Germany. He shifted to Wittenberg and became a doctor of divinity. He ended his fate by studying necromancy. Necromancy is nothing but black magic. At Act 1, Chapter 1 and 2, Faustus, looking for the subject of knowledge, he considered three subjects. First one, logic, has been personified in Aristotle. Medicine has been personified in physicians Galen. And law has been personified in Justina. He rejects all this and finally chosen black magic. He thinks even kings and queens have some boundaries, but black magic has no boundaries and he can become a demigod. Then the angels appears and warn Faustus. Good angels warn Faustus, but bad angels insisted Faustus to study black magic. His servant Wagner entered and Faustus asked him to call his friend Cornelius and Valdes. They give suggestion about black magics. Valdes combines with Faustus and was to become the Lord of Earth, whereas Cornelius wants to find the treasures under the seas and earth. Faustus invites them for dinner. Then two scholars arrive and ask Wagner about Faustus. They get mocked by Wagner and finally Wagner says that Faustus is with Valdes and Cornelius. These two scholars fear that they both are necromancers, those who study black magic, so they want to inform this to their rector. Here rector means higher authority. At scene 3, Faustus tries to call Mephistopheles using some incantations, which means black magics. Then Mephistopheles appears. Mephistopheles is too devilish in appearance, so Faustus asks him to change the appearance. Mephistopheles changes himself into a friar. Friar means a religious person. Faustus inquires about hell. Mephistopheles replies that it is a place where Lucifer is the leader. He was a fallen angel, once loved by God the most, and he protested against God to become a position of God. So God sent them to hell. The devils who accompanied Lucifer also in the hell. Then Mephistopheles begs Faustus that he should go now because he came without Lucifer's knowledge. Lucifer asks Mephistopheles to get signed at the contract of soul in order to serve him. Faustus agrees and sells his soul for 24 years of service in return. At scene 4, Wagner learns some black magic and he asks a clown to serve him, but he denies. He offers money, but clown doesn't accept it. Finally, clown was chased by two devils, which was thrown by Wagner's black magic. Finally, the clown agrees to serve him. Those two devils are Balliol's and Bletcher. At scene 5, Foster's get confused with the appearance of Good Angel and Bad Angel. When Good Angel asks him to give up, but Bad Angel wants to possess wealth. Then Mephistopheles appears with the contract. When Foster's cut his hand, the blood becomes congealed, which means it started to get freezed. But Mephistopheles liquefied it to sign the contract. Suddenly, he get an impression in his hand, homofuge, which means fly, O man. Mephistopheles come back and crown Faustus and explains about hell. Faustus asks someone as his wife, but Mephistopheles bring too many devils in disguise of women to satisfy him. He provides all the books which Faustus asks about its knowledge. Here the Act 1 ends. Act 2, Scene 1. Faustus curses devil, but Mephistopheles says that heaven is inferior to human. Angel appears and repeats the same advice. When Faustus asks who created the world, Mephistopheles suddenly disappears. Then Lucifer comes with the devils and threatens him not to repeat the words of Christ, and he entertains him with the 7 deadly sins. At scene 2, the clown Robin has stolen one of the Faustus' book, but he cannot read the book because he didn't study. Act 3, Scene 1. Faustus drives chariot of dragons to Mount Olympus to study celestial structure and cosmography, the shapes of coasts and kingdoms, and back to Rome, where Saint Peter feast has been celebrated. Scene 2. Mephistopheles and Faustus torments Pope and his subordinates. Pope with his follower want to excommunicate Bruno, he is the emperor of Germany. Faustus asks Mephistopheles to make the god sleep and takes Bruno, but the god awakes when they became invisible. They spell holy words, but Faustus hit the Pope and the friars, and he became favorite of Carolus V. At scene 4, Robin, Rafe, and Winter summons Mephistopheles, but Mephistopheles furious and transforms Robin into ape and Rafe into dog. Here the scene 3 ends. Act 4, Scene 1 at Charles' fifth place. Martino and Frederick are two nobles. They are very excited about the reason happening at Pope's place. Bruno is back and they are curious to know about Faustus, but Benvolio is not interested and neglects to see the black magic. At scene 2, Charles, Bruno, Faustus, Mephistopheles, Frederick, Martino, they are all present at the court, but Benvolio he is seeing from outside. Charles thanks Faustus for returning Bruno to his kingdom. If Faustus can conjure spirit, Benvolio asks him to turn him to a stag like Astion. But Faustus conjures Alexander the Great. Actaeon is a mythical character. Faustus makes Antler to crow on the head of the Benvolio. He begs to the emperor. On his request, Faustus changes him to a human form. Benvolio wants to seek revenge on Dr. Faustus. At scene 3, Benvolio with his friends try to cut the head of Dr. Faustus. As Dr. Faustus sold his soul to Mephistopheles, he cannot die, so he raised again. At scene 4, the devil make horn on the head of Benvolio, Martino, and Frederick, who tries to cut the Dr. Faustus' head. They decided to live in a hidden place until the horn has been disappeared. At scene 5, Faustus wants to return to Wittenberg. A horse courser wants to buy his horse. Faustus wants to offer and wants not to run him in the water. The man refuses, that horse turns into straw. The man tugs Dr. Faustus' leg and he pulled his leg off. Faustus feels very painful and Mephistopheles wants him to call the constable, but he says that he will pay $40 and ran away. Faustus tricked that horser using that straws. Finally, Warner informs that the Duke wants to have Faustus' company, but he denies. At scene 6, Dick, Horsecourser, and Carter drinks and discusses about Faustus' cheating. At scene 7, Duke of Vanholt and his Duchess enters and are surprised by the magic of Dr. Faustus. Duchess asks for grapes which cannot be available at January, but Faustus asks Mephistopheles to bring grapes because there must not be winter season for all the places in the earth. Dick, Horsecourser, and Carter enters. Faustus plays some tricks and make them to shut the mouth. Act 5. Dr. Faustus prefers for death. Still he is drinking. An old man comes to Dr. Faustus and asks him to repent. Faustus wants to repent. Lucifer threatens that he will harm Faustus. Mephistopheles attacks the old man and offers Helen of Troy to Faustus. Helen of Troy is also in hell because she betrayed her own husband. At scene 2, Lucifer enters with his fellow devils. Faustus leaves his will to Wagner. Wagner was very happy about the Faustus' decision. The three scholars enter and ask Faustus to repent, but he cannot even raise his hand as he sold his soul. First scholar asks that he should say it before so that they can pray for him. Faustus asks them to leave, but the third scholar wants to stay, but the other one informs that they cannot face the danger, so they went to the next room to pray for Faustus. Faustus accuses Mephistopheles. Good angel pities for Dr. Faustus, whereas the evil angel shows the hell. At 11 o'clock, Faustus wants to repent. At 11:30, he asks the god to offer hell for 100 years so that after that 100 years he can return to heaven. At 12 o'clock, when Faustus prays, devil enters and drag him to hell. At scene 3, scholar enters by the disturbance of loud noises. They found Dr. Faustus' body torn into pieces. At epilogue, the chorus asks the humans to learn lessons from Dr. Faustus and turn to religious path. Here, Dr. Faustus ends. Thank you, friends. So far, we have studied Dr. Faustus. Next, we will be studying Thomas More's Utopia.